Selling without buying signals is like Spider-Man swinging with his mask fogged up. You're moving, but you'll smack into a wall. The old way, scroll LinkedIn, skim websites, and pray a prospect shouts, "We're buying," by posting online. That's slower than Mario waiting for Wi-Fi in Bowser's castle. The AI way, sixth sense and zoom info, intent scan web, and social traffic to spot accounts, quietly researching your category. Example, a security team saw spikes in ransomware containment searches, jumped in first, and closed deals weeks faster. Advanced users even pipe these alerts into Slack and auto-build call lists. Zero time wasted. Need a pro outreach site? Build one free with moksy.ai. Why guess when AI gives you Superman-level X-ray vision? Subscribe today. Episode 17 is about to land with insights you can't afford to miss.